It is the Tuesdays. And y'all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's time to go cuckoo crazy with avatars. With my own system. Oh dear. Welcome everyone to VRA Tuesdays. You might ask, what is VRA Tuesdays? I know VRA webcam dev, but what is VRA Tuesdays? Well, it's pretty much the VRA webcam dev streams, but I have decided to rename it to VRA Tuesdays, because the thing is, yes, it's cool that I've got the webcam running and everything. It's good, it works, but the system itself for the avatars is not finished. So I feel it's a bit more appropriate to have like streams like that combine the two. Hello. So yeah, having streams that combine the two. So that way I can make the webcam, but also the avatar system too, in case I need it. Because there has been some webcam dev streams under the old name where I deved on the webcam. Well, on the webcam, but also on the avatar system a little bit in the background. And sometimes entire streams like that. One time I tried to encrypt, but it did not work out. But still, you get my point. So that's why it is now VRA Tuesdays. It's gonna be the avatar system in general. So I think that just makes more sense. So yeah, I just started. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I started a little late, and I'm aware, and if you saw like a 5-second stream, that's because I forgot to rename and change my message, but yeah, it's fixed, so yeah, hopefully the message did not send for the 5-second stream. I'd be sad if it did. But yeah, how's everyone in the chat? Hope we are doing good. How are you, Blackout?
Good.
Doing good too. Nice, nice. Glad to hear that.
Yeah, I'm just here. Well, you kind of
making music. Let me guess.
You guessed it. Yeah.
Addicted. Okay, I've gotta start closing some stuff. I can close this. That's the music. I can close this one too. Move this on the side because I might need it. These are my folders. Yoink.
My folders? Oh, okay.
That's the music. That's the task manager. Go task manager. Alright. Yeah, quickly reorganizing my windows. Because, yeah, I was a little bit busy doing other things today. Both job and non-job related. And a bit of Avigen, but so much is going on right now that I did not have the time to set up everything. Like, I prepared some stuff in advance, and it's to a point where even I did not, like, fully charge my trackers either. So there might be a point earlier on in the stream that my tracker might die. So I have another one that is fully charged. So once the one on my head dies, well, you know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna swap it out. Just open up something on the side here. Batman! A burb. There you go. Bang, bang, and that should be good. There we go. I got my old preview on the side. That way, if it did I forget you? No, okay, good. That way I can see if it buffers or not. Anyway, so VRA itself. That's gonna suck. Name up Unity. So I've got a couple things in mind I could do. So last time on the webcam itself, what did they do last time? It was I added the what is it? The full body tracking mode. There's actually not full body tracking, but like with controllers and everything. I think next up, I kind of want to have the camera presets. I think those are going to be useful. Tuning up Unity, so hang on. While I munch on my snack. No chips. Yeah, Unity can take a lot of time to open. So we're just waiting on that. And while that opens, you might notice something. I've reset the goals. All the goals have been reset. So now everything's at 0. And the photo goal has been reset too. And actually, what's this say? Right, I need to also change that thing. I know what I would put there instead. So I have added another goal. And this one is a sub goal. Which I put at 50 because it's quite an intense one. So I was shown by a friend. Actually, I've seen it before, but it reminded me of it. There's a map in Trackmania 2020 called Spaghetti, which is like the stadium is full of track, just going all around and for a good height as well. It's literally a 2-hour long track. So if the sub goals reach, I'm gonna play that on a Friday night gaming stream. But beware, because I'm gonna bring some friends with it. So if that goal's reached, playing that. Like it's gonna be an intense one, but only if it reaches. But I do need to change the follower goal. I don't know what I would put actually. Let me go back to my overlays and see. Unity's still opening, so I got time. So what could I do for 400 followers? I actually don't know. Actually don't know. Could be... What could be good for 400? Ideally, I'd want to do something with some kind of multiplayer or something. Some kind of collab. I know. I really don't know. Uh, I'm just gonna say to be TBD for now. But the subscriber goal, that's confirmed. Very much confirmed. We can do that. All right, and the webcam seems to be open now, so. All right, let me. Oh, there's a amplify shader version. Oh, okay then. Anyway, Unity time. Right, yeah, got cables everywhere. Why is this? Why is this cable here? No, stand here. Thank you. All right, Unity time. So, I got my controllers over there. Oh crap! Right. The thing is, my index is being shipped back. It's getting error made. So now there's no. I can't actually do any kind of like. I can't actually test out the full body. I could go in the Pimax and see if it works, but I'm not sure. Anyway, tonight is not really that feature that I'm making. Because I will be trying to do the camera thing. The camera toggle. So let me check if the mode I have selected is correct. And that will be a no. I'm just in the corner over there. I'm just going to be a Diavaldi. Then we go to tracker. There we go. Much better. Nom nom. What would that be? So I think the center is good, but that does not look centered. Is it? Ha! I did not move, but it auto like moved. Okay, that is strange. Why would it do that? Why in the heck would it do that? Oh, you know, oh, that's why. That is why. Huh. You feel real now. Let me go see the VRA quick. Yeah, it said it'll come to 1. Yeah, now it's good. Is that to? Okay, that is an interesting issue here. So I have to keep it at 1 for when I move from VR to non-VR. And then I can put it back to 0. I can't just like immediately put it at 0. That is interesting. And it's not because I don't have a reset. I have a reset in the code. That is strange. But there's gonna be some workarounds I'm gonna have to go through. But for now, cameras. So let's see, I could have like a couple of presets, like a couple slots. To make it easy. Or I could build some kind of list. With different presets. That's an interesting issue. I mean, it's not an issue, it's like an interesting like path I could take. Either do like VMagick Mirror and have like I think it's like 3 rows with like a save and load button for like save 1 load 1, save 2 load 2, and save 3 load 3. Or I could have multiple like an option for the camera itself with like different settings, like does it follow the player, does it say static, things like that. And then a save load with name. Like the save button, you'd have a name next to it. You'd press save and it would go in the list. And if you click 1 in the list, it would then load that preset. I wonder if I should go that route. Or if I should go with just the load and save buttons. I wonder. Let me check the general settings. Yeah, of course I need to show the UI layer. There we go. And for once I have a stuffy nose too. Yeah, I'm trying to get a bit more stuffy, so yeah, that's a bit unfortunate. Like, this today, right nostril was fine, left nostril was dead. Now, left nostril's fine, right nostril's dead. Like, really? Man, it sucks. I think it was like that. It's not even a crooked nose, it's just because I have a condition. Like a chronic condition. And yeah, right now it seems a bit on the bad side. So I might need to do some moisture treatments a bit more often. Because that is super bad. It's super annoying. Very annoying. I try to sniff, but it just goes in the completely free one, but nothing goes in the other one. So it's completely useless if I sniff. Just not do crap. And yes, I do it like very heavy. Anyway, don't want to bother everyone with these noises, so I'll try my best to not sniff. But if I sniff, please be aware it's not really my fault. By my condition. My critical condition. resolution for being absolutely crap. Uh, 400 width, okay. So I want to align these two together. Alright. Either tracking method there. I wonder, would it be a desk setting? I feel like this would be a desk setting. This is 100% a desk setting, in my opinion. So I'll mask general, go to desk setting. So desk. Okay, take these here. Alright. So, monitor quality. Alright. Monitor quality. Hey, hi there. Hello. Welcome. To VRA Tuesdays. Hi, you. Hopefully you're good. Like the quality. Let me copy paste this. And name this. Yeah, I'm good. I just have a stuffy nose right now, which is a bit sad. It's super annoying. Gotta get that sinus rinse going. I'm gonna have to get that sinus rinse going very quick. But yeah, apart from that. Wait, make me sound super. Oh no. Stuffy nose cute, really. They really make me sound cute. No. Please no. Please no. It tracks. Alright. Hey. Okay, I mean, if I sound cute for you, then no, then alright. But I'm a grown ass man. I'm not cute. Alright, so my quality desk. I want camera presets. So let me quickly add in. Camera presets and add a couple of things. settings. So yeah, what programming? I'm going for camera presets. Because on the webcam right now, if I go here, you might have noticed in a couple streams and stuff that I can actually move the camera around and change the field of view. Hi. But I can do that. Easy peasy. What?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
I guess. There you go. But yeah, so I can move the camera, but the problem is my eyes blown out. Man, the problem is that if I had to go back to the original position, which is somewhere here, and I'm like this, well, how am I supposed to guess where's the original position? So this is why I want camera presets in the desk settings. So that way I could click one, I could click a load button, and it would load immediately, bang, place the camera there. And you could also save the preset, so I can move the camera somewhere. And then you can just press save, and then you can load between the different presets. So that is the plan for tonight. At least in the next, a little less than 2.5 hours I have. So camera presets. So I'll make UI buttons.
I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick.
Alright. So I'm gonna have a button here. With just S. And another one underneath. With a big fat L. So by that I mean save and load. Save and load. And with that, I guess I could also add in an empty. For which I would probably go like this. Place these in there. It's gonna be a layout of some sort. Horizontal layout. Let me create an empty. Place these in here. And then I can add the layout group. It's like that. add in a little text. On top. Like that. And then just copy a couple of them. Let's start with 5 presets for now. There you go. So now these are going to be the presets. So we're going to have preset 1, save load, preset 2, save load, 3, save load, 4, save load, and preset 5, save load. That's the plan. And that horizontal group, I want to middle center. There you go, that way it is centered. And heck, I can even stay the width. No, not stretch this one. I want to stretch the. Wait, no, wait, what? Oh, wait. Grid empty there. But the full stretch. And that does not work. Okay, never mind. I'll quickly have to disable that. So I can set this to be like that. Boop. Place it there. Actually, place it here. Only width. Bam. And actually that will be just anchored. This will be width. There you go. So that way I can name this camera presets. And if I scale this, it's gonna scale that. That title goes here too. There you go. There you go. Move this down. All right. Camera presets. So now it's just a question of coding those buttons to work well. Hey Tony, hello. Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Just doing some coding here. So camera presets, all right. Be able to save and load. So we'll see how that goes. Hey, if you're curious, if you have not seen it, understandable. Yeah, I'm making this right now, which is a webcam. VTubing cam that works with trackers. Which is super cool, but to be fair, if you don't have a tracker, you can just set to be mouse. Then that works. Or you could use full on VR, but because my headset is disconnected, I can't actually save that. And yeah, there's multiple backgrounds, there's multiple avatars. You can load your VRMs in. And work with gestures as well. So, I did a thing. Boy, yeah, for 4 a.m. Waking up at 4 a.m. That must suck. Man, I woke up at 7 for my on-location work and at like 9 for remote. But 4 a.m. I never had to wake up that early, so ouch. That's a big ouch. Hopefully you have a good night of sleep there. Okay, where would I put the code for that? First off, I need to add it to my save manager. That is a fact.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hi.
So where's my save manager? It would be in... It's somewhere... That's the one. Hey, save manager. Hydrate iced tea. Well then. Let me go get iced tea while Visual Studio opens. Well, a moment of silence, please. Refreshing. Thank you for the hydrate with HT remainder. Hydration is key. Anyway, save manager. Alright, so in the desk settings, I want to add a second enum called camera data? I think camera data would be good. No, it would not be an enum, it would be a class. Where inside I would put a vector 3 position, a vector 3 which I will call rotation, which is going to be a Euler angle. I think that's going to be a bit more understandable than a quaternium, in case I want to display that data, or someone wants to read that data. Public float, and that one is going to be FOV. What else do I need to save? I need to save... Actually, right, when I set up that does not display. Let me actually add in a window capture. There we go. There's the big thing. And I think that's good. Alright, let me just smash it down. Karen, go lower. Yeah, right there you go. Yeah, right. Transform, copy, transform. Transform, paste. Ah, there we go. Alright, there's Visual Studio. So, as I was writing, so in my setting manager in the desk settings, added a class called camera data with a position vector, a rotation vector, and a field of view float. As of now. But let me go check here. What else can I save? I say apart from that, there's not really much, so I think I'll keep it at that. I do wonder something. I'm just gonna try something quick. Let me just try something quick with that capture. Ah, wrong layer, that's why I don't see it. Let's go to this one. Bang. Nope, not that. Dang it. I want to add this one. Thank you. There you go. There you go. So Visual Studio is now corrupt. I actually want to check something quick. I'm gonna go quickly back here. Like, there's still some setup I need with my thing. So I just want to see what happens if I click on this. Good, it is not display. Because yeah, the thing is, yeah, shut up, Blackout. The thing is, there's like with Visual Studio, there's like in the corner with the minimize button. There's also your icon thingy of your Microsoft account, and if I click that, it displays the email. But now with the crop I applied, it should be. If I click on it accidentally, it should not show. So that is good. Good. Hey, Mo Savage. Hello.
Who did so? Hello. Hi.
Mo Savage. Welcome to the coding mayhem of camera presets.
The coding suffering.
Coding suffering of camera presets. Oops, the birthday thing.
Mike's too flippy.
Floof the bird. Just poofs up.
He's too floofy. I hug him.
I just hogged the bird. Also, how the heck is this working here? Why the heck? There's a comma here, but it's not causing any errors. What? Oh, okay then. Okay, what about camera presets? Because I gonna minimize this already. Camera data. Okay, there it is. Okay, camera data. That should be good here. let me add a public. Let me put it underneath there. Public. Camera data. And that would be... Should I do a list? I wonder, should it be a list? Or should it be an array? For future proofing, I think I'm gonna do a list. Camera presets. And I want to fill it in with bang, 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 boom, bam. There you go. 5 of them. That seems good. Frozen bird. What? Why frozen? Why I'm not frozen?
Excuse me, what?
I'm not frozen. So with this, so camera data. So from there, I want in the desk options, desk controller. What would that be? Options, main menu. Let me check here. Do I have a desk one? No. Well, time to go back to Unity. And go check what's going on. So, if I go to overlay, don't have a desk controller. Yeah, I do. So if you do another public, actually it's not gonna be a public, it's gonna, I don't need actually this. I need a function. Public void update. I should actually, no. Load camera preset. Alright. I would most probably do a... Okay, how does it work in Unity? Let me go check. Yeah, some kind of camera controller. I do. So I need to get that instance. I need to get that as an instance. So I'll quickly do a public blah, 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 blah. Instance. And with that, in awake, if the instance, if it does not exist, then I want to set instance to this, else, destroy the game object. So now I can do an int ID. So I can do, so to load the camera preset, I want to take the ID of like the table itself. So if I do VRA cameras instance, if it exists, then I want to, and not instance, what the instance? It needs to be static. That's why. Public static. Bam. Instance, if it exists, I want to set the position to okay, I can't actually do this, so I'll have to do a quick if that does not exist, then return. And it's a save manager dot desk settings dot camera presets, and I want to get preset ID. So I should do if that does not exist, or the ID is smaller than, actually no, ID is larger or equal to the same manager desk settings dot camera presets dot count. So if the ID is too big, it's gonna cancel the thing. Or ID is smaller than 0. Because if it's smaller than 0, that does not work. It's gonna be out of range. So that position, user angles, user rotation, and then that camera thing, I want to actually set right, hold up a second. Do I have a no? I wonder something. I think the FreeCam controller overrides everything. Let me open up the FreeCam controller. It does. So I guess I'm gonna do a function here, or are they public? Private. I can do a function. Public void set camera FOV. I should get my FOV, so I'll do place this here. Place this here. Float value. Replace this whole lerp by value. So I want to set camera FOV to this. Instance. Actually, is it instant? No. Oh, there you go back quick. What sets this?
He's still coding.
That's what I'm gonna do for the whole stream. Why are you questioning it?
I don't know where I'm questioning it.
You always question everything I do.
Just basically the C# coding language.
Stop questioning what I do. You know my schedule. You know what I'm doing on my streams. You know how much of a maniac I am.
Why do I question? Why do I always question?
You question everything I do.
I question too much.
Yes. Anyway, so camera FOV. Also, to be fair, it's like you asked me, why are you coding still? I ask you, why are you still in NFL Studio? How would you feel?
That's what I'm basically doing for a whole day.
Have you been on NFL Studio the whole day?
Yeah.
I've been on this for not even half an hour. Now stop questioning.
You don't have to get up close to the camera. Yeesh.
Dramatic effect.
The way I just died, just shrinks. Dramatic effect. I shrink.
Yes. Yes. Well, I found a new way to kill Blackout.
Anyway, I am out of here already.
But I continue coding. Where the heck was I? Here. Okay. What sets this thingy?
Andy Heckin thought I left because I did that as a joke.
I did not thought you left because I always know it's a joke.
Bruh.
Okay, so that... Okay, I need to change this then. Okay. I'm gonna do a bool instant equals false, and down there, if instant then I want to set it would be v equals value veil. Anyway, value, there you go. So now I've got the function down, set that. Now in here I'm gonna add a reference to maybe this could be private, but no, freecam controller. Freecam controller. So then I can add in a function here. I might hate you. So, not yawning. Freecam controller, go over here. Thank you. I'm gonna add a setcam FOV. There we go. Value and an instant. There we go. There we go. Save this. And now that I have this function down, I can go here and do VRA web cameras dot instance dot set camera FOV to VRA, okay, not cameras. Save, not all those save. Save manager dot test settings dot camera presets and get the ID dot FOV and instant true. So this function should be able to load presets. So that is nice. So the next step would be to do the same, but pretty much reverse. Save camera presets to a specific ID. I want to actually, could I actually initialize the save manager, not new camera, but null? Would that work? If that works, okay, that works. So I'll initialize all of them to null. So that way, if a preset does not exist, it won't load. So, or this ID if that is equal to null, if then return. Like so. And I want to do, like, I want to flip those around. So, save manager. Dot desk settings. Dot camera presets. ID. And actually, I don't need to check if it's null here. Just need to check if the numbers are in range. And if it is null here, then I'll take this. Camera data. Like that. So that way it creates it, it's not gonna write something that's null and cause an error. So I'll do first the position. And get that position. Then I want to get save the rotation. And then I want to get the field of views. How am I going to get the field of view? Let me see. I need to get the field of view, so... Because I do need to save on top of this, that's for sure. And I'm gonna have to go through and I want some kind of function to get FOV and have like a bool saying, do you want to get the target FOV, so that like what the camera is going for, because it smooths out, right? So there's a target and then there's the real FOV of the current FOV. So I want a function that can take a variable that says, do you want to get the target FOV or do you want to get the current FOV as it is zooming in or zooming out? That way it could be useful for some like people if they use like the background thing in the future once that's ready. So for this, I will go back to the FreeCam controller. Get a public void. Get camera FOV. Oh. Okay, which one would I would get the target first, I think. So I'll set this to false first. Or I could do... I'm gonna keep like that. So... Actually, it's gonna return a float if real FOV. I want to return the... I want to return this. Else, I want to return the cam FOV. So then here, I can add a public float, get camera FOV, and return FreeCam controller dot get camera FOV with that value passed. Okay, so I quickly need to do this here. There you go. As I'll return like 50. What's the actual FOV right now? Let me check. 36. I'll do 35. There we go. So it's not pub. It's not pub. Did I make it public? No, it's instance. Right. Instance.get FOV. And I want to get the target FOV and save that. Makes a proof command in the program. Imagine. Like, my program is not specifically targeted at furries. Non-furs can also use it. But, yeah. Also, I wonder why... What? I just noticed something. Why is your... What? Why is italic text green in the chat? What the heck? Cat, why are you displaying italic text like green or yellow, whatever that color is? What, chat? What are you doing? Oh, that's a bug to fix later, I guess. I just noticed that that is a thing. So again, so that should be good. I can remove these here. Now this should be good. To save and load. So now it should be good. Let's see. So I'll go back to Unity. And I will quickly first off go to the easy save. I don't think you'll see it. No, you're not gonna see it. But you've seen it like multiple times in the past streams. I'm gonna go in the settings and add this in. Add the camera presets to to the save possibilities. There you go.
Big.
Yeah, welcome back. You went out again without notice. Anyway,
Because I had to restart my computer because my screenshot thing malfunctioned.
Malfunction? How can a screenshot thing malfunction?
When you press Windows Shift S, but it doesn't work.
Ah, that tool. I never use it because I use the legacy snipping tool. Fight me.
I'll fight you.
Okay, so let's now go in and add in the FreeCam controller to that script. And now I'm gonna code in the first buttons. Let's see if they work. So, save. Add in functions on the save buttons. Save. And I want to do settings? No, it's gonna be desk. No. Oh. Ah, desk. And that's gonna be save camera preset. Those second buttons here will be all settings, desk, load. I want these to be 1. These two to be 2. Want this to be 3. I want this to be 4. Alright. Let's see how that works. I actually wonder if it's going to work. Or if I messed up something. Did I forget anything? Let me actually check the game controller. Is nothing. Okay, let's see if it works. So I'll go to desk immediately. Save this one. I'll move the camera here. Save second. Okay, let's see if it loads the first. Damn it. Something went wrong. Hey, it loaded the second. What the heck? It loaded the second fine, but not the what? Oh, you know what? I think there's I think it's not there's something that's not saving properly. Hold up, let me check my scripts. Your angle. Okay, gotta see what's going on from here. I'll unmaximize. Okay, where are the cameras? The cameras are here right now. What happens if I press this? Okay, it is not spinning. It is not rotating. Did I do the angle, position, rotation? Wait, is that affected as well? Wait, I know what. That's probably the thing. I can't actually just set the rotation like that because the free cam controller is actually overriding the rotation, I think. Yeah. So let me public void, and I'm gonna do a quick set camera rotation with a vector 3 rotation. Because the thing is, like this, I just noticed this here. And as you can see here, it sets the current angle here. And then overrides the camera angle. So I need to set the camera angle there. So I'll first set, okay, so how am I setting the rotation here? So current angle equals so new vector 2, new vector 2. So it's just X and Y? What? Oh, yeah, just X and Y. So I could do current angle equals rotation.xy. No, that's not a thing. Oh no, that works. Okay. Cam1 equals cam1 dot transform dot rotation rotation no. Euler angles equals rotation. Just to be sure, is it local? No, it is Euler. Okay, good. So equals rotation. And cam2 dot transform dot Euler angles equals, well, rotation 2. Bam. So now I can go in and task manager. And so the save works like that, but let me actually place a function here with if not, I can just do a freaking controller now. Yeah, no, yeah. Freaking controller dot instance, not instantiate instance. No, what am I doing? That's what am I? Where am I at? Cam cameras dot instance dot no, that's not where I want to put it. I just realized that's totally the wrong script. I put it in, where is it?
I'm gonna boot this bird.
No, you don't. General, no. Camera, where's the camera one? VRA cameras, there it is.
Boop.
Good camera rotation. Free-cam controller dot set camera rotation to rotation. All right. There you go. So now instead of loading using this, I want to do set camera rotation to this. This should work. So this should work. Let's see. So load 2. No, it did not work. Uh-huh. Why didn't it work? I just did not see it because I did not switch to Unity. But as you can see, it is not working. Still. The position works, but the rotation doesn't. Oh, you know why? You know why I think that's not working? I think that's because the cameras that rotate around this, but that thing does not actually spin. Assumption correct. So I need to get the camera rotation itself. So I need to like be able to get the rotation of it. Get camera rotation. So return current angle. Can I convert vector to vector 2? That works. So get camera rotation, current angle. So set camera rotation, get camera rotation. There you go. And I can't actually do this. I need to do one of these. If this, else, return vector 0. All right. Now, if I go back to the desk settings and quickly do a where would it be? There. Here. So it's a camera rotation. So get camera rotation here instead. So get camera rotation. Alright, and with this should technically work.
Cutie bird. Is it working?
I was just reading something on the side here, but yeah. Let's see. It should work. I swear, if it doesn't work now, I don't swear if it doesn't work now. Desk. So I'm gonna save this slot. Go here. And maybe even like zoom in. Place it like that. Save slot 2. Alright, let's see. So in theory, if I click to load the slot 1, I should go back to the original position. Hey, it worked. Slot 2, bam. Presets. Absolutely beautiful. That, for example, I can like go and like make it like a massive like very close camera. And see this. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Presets. And now I actually want to add like another option. Because for the full body tracking mode, for like moving in the room, I want to add maybe like a follow face or follow hips option. What do you mean it's not suggestive? If I had to do something suggestive, I will be against TOS. Like, what you talking about? It's not super... No. it's just a Navali. Get you dirty mind out of here.
I smell stinky.
There's a stinky raccoon in the chat.
I guess I might have to do something about it.
Okay, and indeed, if I try to load these ones, they don't work. Like 4 and 5 don't work because I never saved on top of them.
Oh.
Boy.
Oh, the camera angle change. You added the camera presets.
Yeah, that's what I said. I was showcasing.
Attention, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Music.
Well, that explains it. Have a good day. And that should still work, like moving these around, change the avatar. So yeah, I have my side avatar here. That works. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's a proto. I can even go close, but sniff, sniff. But I'm wondering, why is that doing? Why is this happening? Like, what's the clipping? I thought the clipping was... Ah, it's... Holy crap, that's actually... How far does that camera go? I wonder if I should change these a little bit. I 1,000 seems a bit overkill in terms of distance. That is quite a distance indeed. Very distance. Very, very distance. Yeah, it's quite big. Actually, no. Actually, yeah, it's decently big. I wonder if I could reduce this like 0.01 or something.
Wait, does it work for the Avigen?
Avigen's not ready, dude.
Right.
But you know, because now the feature is technically done, I want to add a reset button, but that wouldn't take too long. I actually want to see if I can, like, put in the current test Avigen in there. I wonder what would happen if I yank the Avigen in my VRA right now. It will not work because I don't have the textures for it, and I don't have a shader like set for it, and I don't have the shader property set to it either for the SDK. But that is something I'd be willing just to test. So let me just open up the VRA SDK now that the feature is done. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do tonight. It's there. So let's try something else. Let's try to put the Avigen in VRA. Just as a test VRA. Okay. Opening up a little celebratory fruity snack. No, I love those. They're so good. It's still importing.
Ib.
Still importing.
I wonder what's important.
The VRA SDK. Like the current state of the Avigen is not gonna take 5 seconds to upload. It's not even gonna take 5 seconds. But a rig should work decently. So let's see. Where's my VR chat SDK? I have VR chat SDK UNT. No, not UNT. There. And it's gonna be in this one, this one, this one. Okay. Okay, so right now it shows the non-SDK, it shows the VRA webcam. Let me change the window to the SDK. There we go. So now I do have a folder. So I said it's not even gonna take 5 seconds. So now the question is, am I right? Let's see. Timer, right? 3, 2, 1, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was right. Not even 5 seconds. Well then. That was actually cool. Honestly, I did not even calculate this. So, I don't have the scene for it right. I just have the ray there. Ooh, that looks sick. They look glowy, glowy. Nice. And going through the visor too. Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly disable Moik. And I just realized I need to change this texture here because why is it blurry actually? Is that 2 point? Okay, I guess the texture itself is wrong. Well, as I said, this is just like temporary anyway. Actually, do I have the screen shader here? I might actually have a test screen shader here. I do have the screen shader here. So that is the beak. Very good. You can not fully see it, so I need to increase the emission quite a bit. Okay, this might end up being a quick modification to my shader to add in a well, it's a screenify. Where's a property for it? Flicker speed occurrence. Where's the brightness? Nope, scan line. Brightness adjustment data is. Screen brightness. Increase it to the max. There you go. 100. Why did it not? Because I need to update that shader too. Bam. I know why it's blurry, because it's trying to rescale this 6464 to square. Right. There we go, that's better. And I might actually increase it even, the brightness of those screens even more. I think I'm gonna increase it even more. Max to 500 instead. Like, I plan to have like this shader available or remake a new version of it, because then that's a bit messy. But it does have a couple of interesting features here. So I want to keep that up. I'm gonna keep it like that. But you can kind of see a bit of the screen, like it's like an LCD, right? Like you can either set LCD or OLED. If OLED, the pixels are gonna turn completely black. Or you can also set it Pental. Okay, with pixels as big as this, I'm going to quickly... resolution needs to change too, right? So resolution of this, it's 80 by 64. So, or what is the resolution? There. 80 by 64. There you go. Right. And mobile intensity, I don't want any. Nice, nice. Very subtle here. You know, make it glitch. A very rare occurrence of glitch. I did adjust a bit of the V's here because this is not exact. Yeah, the smell is not exact. I think like my shader has a little bit of trouble here. Or maybe it's the texture that is having trouble. Is it the texture or is it the shader? That's the question. I think we changed to like a standard. Oh, it is a shader then. Okay, it is a shader with the pixelate effect having issues. As I said, I need to rework the shader. So for now, it's gonna do. Okay, so let me quickly go through each of these. So that one's gonna be nothing. Paste. And what's the resolution of this? I don't know actually. I don't remember what resolution I put this at. Actually, I can go back in my beak thing and see. The E64, yeah, okay. I want to open texture screens. Okay, so beak front is gonna be 16 by 48. So resolution 1648. All right, next one. This, I know it's 1024 by 512. Uh, 1024 by 512. And that is way too bright, so... Put a 10. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the distances after. But that looks sick, though. Next up will be this bit. But I think I'm gonna do the visor once first because my copy paste is currently on like with the brightness of the visors. So earpiece, not yet. Eye. There you go. That's gonna be 64 by 64.
Oh, hey, it's an Avigen.
An Avigen, I'm putting screens. Actually, I'm gonna actually go in and immediately set the shaders of everything here. Ah! There you go. Capiche! Oh dear! What's that? Maybe not that last one though. Boop. There we go. Now screens. Put them onto screens. So what are they? Head bottom, head top. And leg piece, no. I'm missing nostrils. Okay, so those are the three missing ones for the visor. Paste properties. And set to display nothing. Alright. So now these. Actually, what are the resolutions for the other ones? 4048, 8681. So yeah, big top. Right, don't have a. At top, no. Retro. Front, chest screens. Earpiece, eyes, head bottom. Where is. Wait. Where is. Is it like an entire beak? Probably. So head bottom is a.
You have selected Microsoft SAM as the computer's default.
Just 9691. 86 by 91. Did it not change? 96 by
What are you
91.
doing?
I've finished the feature for the webcam and now I'm trying to add in my Avigen just as a test in the for my VRA system, which the same with the Avigen is not done yet. The Avigen, Avigen. But yeah, I'm trying to add that just as a test, just for fun, into
Well,
VRA.
I heard somebody came into the party.
Yeah, it is retro.
Blacked out birdie buddy boyo.
Head chop. Head top would be. What's the resolution of this head top? It's 4848. So 4848. And because this is still like not the official one, that's like half, so 24. Even then this looks.
I gotta go join another chat. See you later, buddies.
I see a retro. Okay, so earpiece. It's gonna be that. Oh yeah, also. I need to get out of them and set the wobble to 0. There. So earpiece. I think I set to 1024. No, 512. There you go. And that one. Actually, I need to copy the properties of this one. Go back to the earpiece and paste properties. There you go. quite squished. Is it like 256 by accident? What? Oh no, because I need to rechange that res. Yeah, it's at 1024. 512. There you go, that's much better. Then these, that's the eyes, head bottom, head top, leg piece. Actually, leg piece small, and the other ones, these two will be kind of the same. I think that same texture. But one would be 1024, I think. I know. Yeah. One would be 512 by 512. And the other one would be 256 by 256. Like this. Okay. And now, small chest piece, that's like 128, I think. Right. That's gonna be a 128 resolution. So, 128 by 128. There you go. That is good. And it's the rest. So nostrils, that was modified good. Head top. And that is... Yeah, the rest is done. Okay, so that is done. The screens are placed, but now I just need to adjust the distance of pixel viewing. Because right now they're all set to the same. Oh, that's a wobble. That's not what I want. There. So 0.2 and then fade like some f2. It seems to offer the most balance, actually. Yeah, that really seems to be to offer the most balance here. these ones, it's fine. It's really just for the eyes a problem here. Like any of the inside getting a bit problematic, so big front, eyes, head bottom and head top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And nostrils, where are they? There you go. So these are a bit more problematic. Huh. I might keep it like that for now. Maybe 0.2, yeah. On everything, I think. Point 2. Yeah, keep it at 0.2. Well, I'll save this and yeah, let's see how it looks in the VRA cam. So let me add in a quick add our settings. Where the heck is that dot now? Hello dot, where are you? There you are. I just noticed what the knee pad just meant. I just noticed. Yeah, you're probably gone by now, but yeah. Night night. Night night, Tony. I just realized that the knee pad what it meant. Oops. But have a good rest. Even though you're probably be gone, or you know you're probably gone by now. But, yeah. I'm gonna put it there. That seems good. Lip sync does none. Eye tracking does none. Avigen test. Alpha test. Well, not even alpha. It's gonna be full race, where it's gonna be race. So alpha doesn't matter. Build. Dang, I just remember I need to bend the ears. Greetings, Brisk. Welcome to VRA Tuesdays. Formerly known as the VRA Cam Development streams. But now it's like more general to VRA. But yeah, how about you, Brisk? Right now I'm trying to just put the Avigen for fun. Bring it to VRA. And I say I'm gonna wait till this is done. There you go. Because I forgot I need to also take the ears. And bend them. There you go. There you go. Actually, this is not the right material. Well then. Why is it this material? It's supposed to be another one. Did I drop the wrong one here? Okay, it's just the wrong assignment material. Okay then, anyway. Build again. And overwrite. And I'll see how it works in the VRA cam. Because yeah, Brisk added a new feature there too. Building. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the VRA cam. And add the newly built Avigen package. So it's gonna be in here. And then you quickly find it and add it. So, bang. Screen Explorer. And add it to the local avatars folder. Avigen alpha test. Bam. Okay, and that should be it. It should work out of the box. Without lip sync. But it should work. Let's see. Alright. Moment of truth. Also, it's not supposed to be this avatar, so I guess adding avatars causes problem, huh? Let's see. Where is it? That's gonna be regular Protogen, I think. Yep. What does he have? There it is. Okay, screen issues. The screens are not showing through the visor, so that's why a custom shader is gonna be required here. But yeah, that is something. Also, my wing. Why is the wing like this? I guess it's the Avigen wing, huh? Let me quickly just take a look at the screens here. Ah, yes. Proper screens. Nice. Okay, I can kind of see my eye through here. I don't know, is it just... I don't have bloom enabled, do I? I do have bloom. Huh. I don't know, that might require some stencil work. Legs seem to be working fine. Though it does bend like quite more backwards than I intend. That's because of what's the name? Yeah, that's because to have the humanoid rig work properly and have the knees bent forward, I had to move the bone back on there, so that's why it bends like this. If I had to stand up, it would look fine, I think. Let me see. Okay, I need to use another animation instead, so I'm gonna quickly change to no, I don't even have the headset. Dang, I just realized. Yeah. I guess I could force the locomotion on. I could potentially force the locomotion on. So if I go to the VRA locomotion set to 1. And onset setting. You're right, because there's also the hip tracker, right? So there. So if I just stand up, yeah, the leg would look normal if I stand up. Like, that looks normal. It's really when sitting down that the leg just moves way back. Okay then. But it does work. In itself, it does work. But now actually my question is... I had that question with the Avigen. Does the knee actually bend in, like, with my system at least? Does it, like, tilt on the side as well? It does, yeah. Yeah, I can see it's crooked there. That is so strange. Why does it do that? A real life knee does not have that range of motion. Why does it do that? That is so strange. And I'm still wondering why then... It can't be post-processing, is it? Wait, what rendering pipeline am I using here? I think it's related to the rendering pipeline, you know what? I just want to check something quick. So I'm gonna switch to here. Other settings, running pipeline, D3D11 on here. In my VR chat SDK, this is not... It's probably different, maybe. That's my guess, the VR chat SDK is different. But I could also check on the VRA webcam itself. Player, D3D11. Okay, no, it's not that. Is it maybe post-processing? It is not post-processing. Huh. What makes it tick? What the heck? That is so weird. That is actually very weird. That is very strange. Why does it do it? Why does it change? The visor transparency, why does it change? And the emission thing, why does it change throughout? Okay, let me check something. If I were to use something else, another mode. Like if I were to go and use for the visor, I were to use fade. No. This is so strange. This is very strange. Because, like, alright. Yeah, what the heck? Like, alright, I'm gonna... Exceptionally, I'm gonna show my entire screen because it's gonna be easier. But if you take a look, if I go to the VRA SDK, you can see that the eye goes through easily through the visor. And if I set the visor to either transparent or fade, no difference. And if it's to opaque or cutout, then of course it's not going through. And I tested as well removing the post-processing. And it still goes through. But if I go in the VRChat SDK, it does not go through. But inside VRChat, it does go through. What could be the cause? Is it some kind of graphic setting I'm missing, or?
I'm back. I just want to go do some socializing.
Okay. What is wrong here? If I change to just like something random, yeah, nothing. That's not the issue.
But what was that one in the background?
Just some random stuff. What's causing the issue with my projects? Huh. Graphics, maybe? Okay, let me check the difference in those settings here. I am seriously questioning here.
I don't know to question whether or not.
Um. What? Okay, rendering mode? Okay, camera is set to... Forward, forward, forward. I wonder if it's a quality setting or something. No, it doesn't seem like one. Is the player setting? It is so weird. What is going on?
What is going on?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to check. But the screen showing. Like D3D11, that makes sense.
Just be careful not to show anything.
The rest is good. You know, I know you're worried, Blackout, but don't worry. I'm careful.
Whether or not, though, I'll always worry.
You will always worry, but you don't have to worry. You worry too much about me, dude.
Yes, I do.
There you go, you even admit it.
No.
You just admitted it.
I technically did not, actually.
I said you're worrying too much about me. You said, yes, I am.
But that doesn't mean I am it.
But you said it yourself. Okay, go through the mirrors. Whoa, what? Okay, what does the rendering pattern mirrors? Use graphic settings, use graphic setting for HDR. Rendering path, use graphic settings. Where's the main camera? It uses... Let me just test quick. If I were to here, forward, third, okay, no difference. HDR off causes the issue. HDR off causes the issue. Actually, hold up a second. What's the HDR camera I have? Oh. 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 That's why. HDR is off. Is there a reason why I turned off HDR? I think there is. I think there's a reason why I turned off HDR. There is a reason why I turned it off. If I turn it on just for fun, what's gonna happen? Okay, now this goes through fine. But now this double post-processing. Why was it off? What? That explains it. Why was it off? Why was it off? But now there's double post-processing. Hold on a minute. There's still motion blur applied and there's still... Oh, this is fake bloom. Wait, hold up a second. I am legitimately confused. There was bloom with... What? There was bloom earlier. Am I dreaming? What? I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm dreaming. There was bloom earlier, and there's still motion blur. Yeah, now there's bloom. Okay, okay, maybe then I disabled it somehow. By complete accident. Because yeah, I was not dreaming, there was bloom. That is bloom. And now the Avigen face works. Like, now it's fine. Bruh. Okay then, well, that works, so... That is a very shiny Avigen, holy crap. Very shiny. Am I just dim? Oh, well. Crash. Well, there goes Unity. That's a oof. Let me do that. Quickly save these. Well then, restarting Unity, I guess. Okay then. So somehow there was post-processing, and then the moment I tried to add the Avigen, it got disabled. What? I don't understand how that happened, but that happened. Okay then. But yeah, so it works. It's fine. As long as HDR is on. It's fine. So that means it should work via chat. It will work... Actually no, via chat is gonna depend if the user has cameras with HDR disabled. Dang, I just realized. Also, did I lose any progress? I don't think I did. I don't think I did lose progress, but I'm still gonna check just to be safe. Okay, I did not. Okay, good. Very curious bug though. What happened there? I tried to load the same background, it crashed. Okay, now it's fine. But now the HDR is gone. Okay. So I'm quickly gonna go and re-enable that. HDR. But yeah, that should work fine. Actually, before going in, I want to save and go play. So wait, okay, so now it's fine. If I were to load this and go back to background, so I should load the same one. Okay, no, nice, it doesn't crash. Okay then, I guess that's just a random crash that was encountered. Okay, so the Avigen works best in the dark room. Simple sky maybe? Okay, simple sky is fine. A bit bright on this side, but it's fine. Void is also good. It's too bright, it's gonna be too bright. I guess this one's good. I would probably need some other backgrounds. Like, probably from, like, VRA Avigen. Yeah, just like skybox versions of backgrounds. That's gonna be stuff to add later. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it on this one. And yeah, so I guess the Avigen is added now. And camera presets. Super cool. Save that one. There you go. But now I just want a quick like reset button. Which is gonna force like reset on a specific position. So let me add in over here a quick that would be save manager. Set position. With a quick serialize field there. Save whenever. Okay, it's serializable. I want to serialize this too. So now I can do a quick public void reset position to default. Alright, so that way position can be reset to default. So now I want to do I could potentially add in wrap. Might add this in the options. A save manager. A quick public camera data. Saved camera position. And then two transform dot position equals save manager dot desk settings dot and not that, it's gonna be reset position dot position. Gonna copy this whole thing. Reset position, not rotation. I did a big oopsie there. Whap. Set FOV to reset position, not FOV. Alright, save manager. I'm gonna save these. If you want to add in here, so there you go. It's gonna be I'll take this, set the rotation to their setting start. Saved camera position. Set camera FOV. Do this. And I guess here in the free cam controller, I can do here I can, like, when I release the button to move, then I can go save it. Is equal to, okay, how is the position set? Going to be current angle. I'm just gonna take transform that position. That's saved compression dot rotation equals current angle. But I should do it like on quit. Save camera position dot FOV equals FOV, cam FOV. Okay, do I have, I think I do have in my save manager an on save. I'm going to do a quick new event here. On before save all. Which I'm going to execute here. That way here, I can do a quick function. Here. On start, I add save manager. No, save. Save manager dot on before save all plus equal save camera position. And on destroy, you know, take that and do minus equal. All right. So again, on start, it's gonna read and instantly set these. And when you quit the app, it's gonna trigger on save all. On before save all, go write the values, and then it's gonna, well, you know, save the values. So now I just need a reset button. Which I'm quickly gonna go add in the overlays. It's gonna be somewhere here. Disk. Yeah, let me move these up. So that underneath the camera preset thingy, I can add a button right here, conveniently placed. What's the width of the thing? There we go. And that, I'll remove this text here and add there. Reset to default position. Right here. And that button will be going here and not save camera preset. I want to neither save, neither load. I want. Is it a public? Did I save the script? I saved the script. Ah, because it's gonna be in the Wait, where is it? Which script did I put it? Yeah, webcam cam manager. Huh. Okay, so I'll put in a new function quick. Coming to an end of the end of the stream here. Public void reset camera position. And I'll do a get that instance dot reset position. to default. Reset camera position. Ah, right. So now this should be working. Okay, so let me quickly, before pressing play and everything, I need to get the current position. So, reset position. I want it to be there. Oh, okay. OBS just completely crashed. I don't know how long it took. Blackout. Do you have the stream open on your side?
Let me check.
Well, that means no then.
No.
Anyway, sorry about that, people. But I guess that's something that can happen. And I did not know this. And if Blackout did his job and would have had the stream on the side.
Sorry.
Anyway, so like here, like even the Avigen died because of you. Well, there goes all my followers over there. Alright, so is it because, let me check, Steam VR, Flash Trackers, control binding, no, not control binding, Mesh Trackers, no, I set 2 ways, it's fine. Okay, probably just a restart of the app, let me just check. Okay, yeah, just a restart. Okay, OBS, now screw you, do not crash, I don't know what happened there. Like, this is why I have a preview screen on my side. That way, if the stream stops, I know there's immediately a problem. But, yeah. Let me just go open up the correct thing. Okay, anyway. But the end of the stream is there anyway, so that's that end segment is not going to be long. So if you're coming from the, like, just now, note that there was like an entire 3-hour stream before OBS crashed. I'd recommend watching your previous VOD if you want to watch the rest of the stream, what I did. But for the YouTube people, you're just going to have like both of them combined. But Twitch people, go back to the previous VOD in the meantime. Anyway, so what was I doing? Yeah, I wanted to test the reset position. So let me just like move something, reset. There you go. Change FOV, reset. Oh crap! No, that does. Okay, reset does not exactly work for the FOV. Okay, so it does not work for the FOV. Okay. Let me check. Go to definition of this. Ah, guys, it's to instant. Yeah, right. True. All right. And technically as well, this should also make it so that, like, it saves now. It should. Nope, it did not. Okay. No reference. No reference. Ha! It actually... What? Apparently the instance does not exist there. Wait, did I do it in Awake or Start? I did it in Awake. But Unity says No reference exception. Object not set a reference on an object. What though? Ah, right. Save manager, hold up a second. Okay. Save manager. Where are you? Save manager. Over. Where is it? Here. Should I do equal null? I think I'm gonna do equal null here. Okay. So yeah, I need to set the values of this. If no, typing too fast here. Save measure dot test settings dot second position. If that equals to null, I want to set these values. How do I do end? Dot instance dot reset position dot position and FOV. VRA dot test settings dot second position equals a new camera data. Alright, this should work without errors. This should be good. And if it works, it's gonna be into the stream. Let's see.
It's probably a good time as well because I'm gonna have to go eat dinner with my family.
Yeah, and I have to go to bed. Okay, did it cause any errors? It did. That line. Apparently that does not exist. What? Excuse me, what? Wait, hold up a second. Where do I set this? On start. Huh. Should I do it on awake? Can I do it on awake? Can I go back? You need to use other thing. Okay, these are nothing good. Because if I were to click on Unity, it would have completely ruined all my saves. Alright, so... Alright, did it cause any errors this time around? No! Alright. So now the question is, like, this works. Yeah, that still works. So await works. So let's say I do... Oh, I lagged. Oh god. I lagged. Okay, let me place this here and do a quick, I don't know, reset. Alright. Load this. Fit. Show that Avigen. Now the question is, if I go out of play mode, no errors, very promising. When I press play, it should go back to that same position. Damn it. What's going on here? Is there an error again? I don't know. Let me open up Notepad. And the save file. Oh, I'll be sure it works. Make the bird. Yeah, webcam. Yeah, log. Not logs. I want setting saves. This one, nope. Yeah, this one. Edit with Notepad. Let's see. Oh, you know what? It's because... Ah, no, right. I'm dumb. I need to actually go in and add it to the easy save. Right. I'm dumb. I forgot to add it to the save thingy. That's why it just clicked.
Probably like me when I accidentally close out a FL Studio project.
I mean... it tries to close it, you have the pop-up. I don't have any pop-ups if it says the save setting does not exist. Like, it's trying to save on a value that is not registered. So... it's trying to, like, save on it, but it's not registered, so it's not saving. And then I'm trying to read from it, but it's not registered, so it can't read from it. So what happens? There's no errors because it just says, alright, skip that line. And... yeah, nothing happens. But now let's see. So move camera, alright. And reset, that works. Alright, maybe do that. Reset, good. Load a position. Alright. Load this one. If I had to go like over here maybe. I know Windows, you hate me right now. And if I had to save this one, load that one. Alright. Now, moment of truth. Would it actually work? So, I'm gonna quit out of play mode. And hopefully, it loads the position. There you go. Got it. It works now. Nice. So there's a camera system now in the webcam. Let's go. Can move the camera. Oh, here, that'll multiple the screens. It's the monitor. Load this position, load this position, load this one, reset. Alright. Well then. I wanna get something for the thumbnail though. For the thumbnail of the YouTube VOD. There we go. Thumbnail. Yeah, it's gonna be the thumbnail. The thumbnail. Alright, well, with this, I think this is where I'm gonna end off the stream. So, technically the second part that lasted, what? It's 18 minutes. But, yeah, if you're still with me, we're gonna go raid. Like, I know most people are already gone because the stream completely stopped. But, yeah, if you're still with me, thank you for sticking by. Through that technical issue that I was not aware of. Like, thanks OBS. But, yeah, we're gonna go raid someone now. Yeah, I have to go to bed. But, yeah, so next step for the webcam would actually be... what would it actually be? Like, I would export this, of course. There's another thing I wanted to do, but I don't remember what. I have follow cam. So that way you have a button to press and the camera can follow you around. Instead of being like static like here, it would actually follow you around. For like, it would be super useful for like full body purposes, like standing VR, standing webcams. That way the camera stays focused on the streamer. So yeah, that's gonna be next week. But for now, let's go see who to raid. And let me also load up the usual song when we go. Perfect. Alright, let's go see who to raid. So let me boot up Twitch. Ha! No one in my followed list is streaming. That is interesting. And yeah, actually, I just remember I'm looking at the channels list, recommended channels, and I see Beat Saber. I should say, this Friday, I really want to go to Beat Saber because the new update came out. So that means new OST, new blocks, new lighting, and yeah, the OST is pretty much like safe for streaming compared to like the DLC packs and any of the custom songs. So I'll be playing that on Friday for sure. With Pimax because my index is gone for now. But yeah.
New OST?
Yeah, for sure. And I will be playing that on Friday, but for now let's go raid.
Oh yeah, who are you gonna raid?
I don't know.
Can I make a prediction?
There's no way you can predict because none of my followed list is streaming right now. And stop predicting.
I'll probably never stop predicting.
Yeah, stop it. It doesn't. I don't like that mood. Look at it. They look interesting. 19 viewers. Not too many viewers. But yeah, let's. I guess they're just doing some chatting right now. But doesn't seem the fact that I can still go and raid him. Let's go raid. Somebody called Kobe Hema. Never seen them before. They're doing just chatting. And
I'm curious.
yeah, let's go say hi.
Let's go.
So yeah, I will see you all on Friday.
Oh,
For
there's
some-
Squawk in the chat.
Ah yeah, there's Quack in the chat, don't forget that. But yeah, I will see you all on Friday for some Beat Saber and probably other like games as well. Maybe some Satisfactory because I don't like that game too much.
I'll join you on Beat Saber on multiplayer.
Well, maybe. I'll probably play it solo at the beginning, but we'll see for multiplayer after. But I will see y'all on Friday. We'll see what we play after Beat Saber. See ya, peeps!